If you're an esthetician, medical spa owner, skincare professional, a student, or new to the beauty industry, we would love for you to join our Bellanova Webinar Workshop. Find out about Bellanova, an all-in-one Nano Mist therapy system, and how it can help your business. Bellanova, all-in-one Nano Mist therapy.
And our job is to help our clients find success. So what is Bellanova? Just look at the short video but let's talk about what Bellanova is really. Okay? So that's why we call it an all-in-one Nano Mist therapy. For the main reason, it's for the anti-aging purposes. Okay, we want to stimulate. Lastly, this is I would say it is the main function of Bellanova. And so what it does is, all right, so let's take a look at some of the indications and contraindications. So, all right, so I want to talk about why Bellanova is the choice for many practitioners. So a lot of people choose the Bellanova because, and yeah, I mean, look at those neck wrinkles. It looks amazing. And yeah, this one was amazing. Now, so let's talk about money here. Okay, so how much can you make with this device, all right? So the return on investment of Bellanova, estimated treatment cost is anywhere. Don't forget to do a very quick survey after this webinar. And after you're done, you can text Bellanova to my number. And I'll be able to offer you with the exclusive coupon to Histolab. And also I'll give you a special 25% discount on Bellanova on appreciation for joining this webinar.
Register today.